Good morning, student. Myself, Chetan Gupta, CSA Department, SIRTS, and today we are going to implement a program for the constructor. As we know, we have three types of constructor, that is default constructor, parameterized constructor, and copy constructor. So today we are going to implement or write the first program for the constructor, that is default constructor. So for that we have include one header files, that is hash include istream.h, that is input output stream. We are going to add one more header files, that is conio.h. So in this program we add or we include two header files. First one is hash include iostream.h and second one is conio.h. After that we are going to create a class. Suppose we are going to give a name test. Basically test is a name of class. Inside the class we create a public section. In this we take two variables a and b. Now we are going to create the constructor of the class. As we have seen, the constructor have a same name as a class name. In the all previous lecture we have seen that every method have some return type. If method does not return any value, so we can use void. But if we are going to create a constructor, so return type is not allowed to write before the name of the constructor, and constructor always declare in public section. So here we are going to create one constructor which have a same name as class name. Inside the body of a constructor we are going to print one statement, that is default constructor is called. Means whenever the constructor is called, this statement will be print on our output screen. In the same program we are taking two global variable, that is a and b, and inside the body of a constructor we are going to assign the values of a and b. In the same class we are going to take or create another method, that is void print, and inside that cout statement we are going to print the values of a and b. Suppose our first statement is value of a is a, and we are going to write the another statement, that is value of b is b. So by using this statement we are going to print the values of a and b. After that, we are going to close this print method. Now we are going to terminating the class by using semicolon. Now we create main function. Inside main function, we add one method that is clear screen. Now we are going to create the object of class, and we are going to call a method that is print. After that, we write get.ch to hold the output on output screen and terminating the program. So in the program, we have seen that we have included two header files, that is hash include istream.h, and another header file is conio.h. After that, we create a class that is test. In the body of test class, we take public section and we are going to take two variables, that is a and b. After that, we create a constructor of a class. The main property of constructor is that when an object of class is created, the constructor body is automatically called, and these statements are automatically executed when this function is called. After that, we create another method, that is print method. Inside that print method, we simply print the values of a and b, and we are ending the class by using semicolon. In main function, we take clear screen method, and here we are going to create the object of test class. So whenever we write test space t1, we know the t1 is the object of class. So whenever the object of class is created, the constructor is automatically called. Means whenever the constructor body is called, so in the output screen, the first statement is the default constructor is called, it automatically printed, and with the help of this constructor, we also initialize the values of a equal to 10 and b equal to 20, and we closing the constructor. Means whenever the object of this class is created, the body of a constructor is automatically called. So our global variable, that is a and b, is automatically initialized by this constructor call. After that, we do not call the constructor by using dot operator, because constructor is automatically called. So directly with the help of object, we are going to call a method that is print. Means whenever this print method is called, the values of a and b is printed on the output screen. By default, whenever we create the object, the constructor is also automatically called. So when we called the print method, so in the output screen, the two statement is printed, that is values of a is 10, that is we assign with the help of constructor, and the values of b is 20. So we are going to compile this program. Here we successfully compiled the program. There is no warning and no error. Now we are going to run this program. So as we have seen that the statement of constructor is printed, that is default constructor is called, and we also called the print method. So in print method, we have print the two statement, that value of a is 10 and value of b is 20. So the initialization of these variable a and b is done with the help of constructor, because as we have seen in the program, that if we need to execute a particular method, so we can call that method with the object of the class by using dot operator. But if we create a constructor, so the constructor is automatically called. Means with the help of constructor, you can also initialize your global variable, those who does not initialize and pointing some garbage value. So this is the program for the default constructor. In our next class, we will see the program for the parameterized constructor. Thank you.